Hey guys, what's happening? Thanks for tuning in and coming back and all that stuff. I just wanted to say thanks. 2018 was an incredible year for me on YouTube. You guys have been fantastic. I really appreciate you showing up and watching my videos, my tutorials, following along on my little adventures and that sort of thing. It's just been amazing for me, and so I just wanted to say thanks. Obviously I couldn't do it without people showing up to watch, so that's you guys, so thank you again. The year started with me having about 5,000 subscribers, and I'm ending the year nearly at 12,000, so I more than doubled, which really blew away what I thought I could do. Let's see, I've had something like 17,000 likes, over 6,000 shares, 500,000 views, things like that. So it's just been incredible. So again, I just wanted to say thanks because it really means a lot to me. I appreciate it. And I'm going to keep doing more in 2019. I've got more videos I want to do. I'm going to continue to do stuff on Luminar and Aurora because they are my favorite products. I love them quite a bit. But I want to continue to expand. I've done some things outside of that this year. I want to do some more, so I'm looking to you for ideas. I know a number of things I want to talk about. I'm going to do more vlogs. I've got a new camera now to vlog with, which I'm using here. It's a Sony a6500. I love it. It's been great so far. I'm going to do more vlogs. I got some discussion videos I want to do, just talking about different sort of photographic things, ideas or themes, or just you know, aspects of photography that are interesting to me that I kind of want to discuss. Maybe do some live things, and of course more tutorials. And so if there are specific tutorials you'd like to see, whether it's Luminar or Aurora or maybe something in Lightroom or you know, I don't know, some of the other stuff, the Nik collection, Topaz, let me know, and leave comments down below about the kind of content that you prefer and that sort of thing, because you know, I want to make it interesting for you. I want more people to come back and more people to subscribe, of course. So let me know how I can help you in 2019, but mostly I just wanted to say thank you very much. It's been an incredible year. Couldn't have done it without you, so thank you again, and I'll be seeing you real soon with more videos. Have a great one, my friends. Take care, and adios.